Hey guys, it's Miss Alexander, and we are doing stacked volume for another day. We do have another day tomorrow also, so please be aware you've got 4 days of this. We want to make sure you understand it. Remember, you're accurately finding the total volume of solid figures composed of 2 non-overlapping rectangular prisms, which means I have 2 rectangular prisms, and we're adding them together to get the total volume. So I need both of them to get this answer. So these are all the steps, and we know how to do this. So we're going to go into, here's our example of what we're doing. Now we have to figure some of these answers out. So we have to figure them out. Now these aren't like the last few days. These might be a little more fun to figure out. So let's look at our length. Remember, our length goes across. So I'm going to go here and scribble. And remember, our length is right here. And I'm going to change that green so you can see it. My width, oh, look right here. I forgot. We have this length too now, because my boxes aren't the exact same size, you guys. And then I have my width. Oh, it didn't stay anyways. Here's my width. I'm going to change that yellow. And then again, here's my height. And that is orange, but I have 2 different heights. So now we have to pay attention. I'm going to go with my length here, my top box, which is 3. So I'm going to write a 3. Let's quick change the color. I'm tired of black, you guys, so we're going to go blue today. And look, I'm dealing with inches, so I'm going to go ahead and write inches. I need to know my width. If you notice, it looks like my width is the exact same. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 inches. Okay. And then I've got to figure out my height. And it looks like it's 2. And remember, I'm dealing with inches and not centimeters. I'm going to quick get my numbers for my bottom box. I have 6 inches. I have 5 inches. Now I'm going with the bottom box, which has 4 inches. So look at this. The only thing that's the same is my 5. Now I need to multiply. I'm going to go ahead and take 5 times 2. 5 times 2 equals 10, and 10 times 3 equals 30. Yes, make sure you put inches, but what's my exponent? Yes, you guys, it is cubed because I'm multiplying 3 sides. Now this is one answer. Now I've got to do this one. I'm going to go ahead and just do 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is, yes, 30. And I'm going to multiply by 4. 4 times 3 is, yes, 12. And 4 times 0 is 0. And yes, it's inches cubed. Ooh, that's an M. I need an N. Sorry about that, you guys. I made a little mistake. Now I'm going to take my numbers. I'm going to take my 120 inches cubed. I'm going to add my 30, because remember, I want to know how much is the total volume. So I want to know all of it. So I'm going to write my inches cubed, because when I add, that doesn't change. I do 0 plus 0, 2 plus 3, and 1 plus 0. And here's the answer for this one. Let's quick do number 1. so you can see another problem. Here we go. And again, I'm jumping in. I'm just going to go ahead and write so you can see what I'm doing. If you want to change these like I am, you can. If not, not a big deal. Whatever works for you. I'm going to go here and scribble. And right here, I'm going to find my length for the top. So look at this. I have 6 here. We got to look at this a little different, you guys. I have a 6 and I have a 4. I need to know this area right here, you guys. So what I do is I take that 6 and minus the 4 to give me, yes, so this one, my length is 2 meters. Okay. So we know that this part is, that's the height we got to go with. See the 2? There's nothing else with this 2. So it is also 2 meters. Now we're looking at this right here, this part, the height. But right now we don't know what that is because we know the whole thing's 4. But if we look over here, it says it's 2. So I gotta take that 4 and subtract the 2 to get 2. So what I'm doing is I've got to look at all the numbers. So now I just multiply this out. 2 times 2 is 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. Right, meters cubed. Now we're going to look at the bottom box. I have my length is 6 meters. My width is 2 meters. You're right, that didn't change. And what's my height? Yes, it's 2 because we're looking at this one. Now I'm going to do 2 times 2, which gives me 4. And I'm going to multiply 4 by 6, which gives me, yes, you guys, 24. And again, yes, we add, make sure we do meters cubed. I'm going to take that 24 meters cubed. And I'm going to add 8. Why am I adding 8, you guys? Yeah, because that's how much the other volume was. Great job. So my meters cubed stays because I'm adding. And now I add 8 plus 4. Yes, 12. 1 plus 2. And here's the volume for my entire cubes. I hope this helped clarify a little bit. I will do some more in person. But remember, if I went a little too fast, go ahead and pause the video to help you out. Remember while you're doing this to smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.